Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to see your downloads on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will see a downloads option. Tap on it to view all the videos you have downloaded. Now you can see the list of all the videos you have downloaded. These videos are available for you to watch anytime whether you are online or offline. And that's it. This is how you can see your downloads on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.